Hello everybody. Today we're going to make a little password program where we enter our password in and we check the length of it, and if it's above a certain length then we allow it. If it's below a certain length then we disallow it, and we can also print it out as well. So we're going to start with password. Okay, we're going to create a list there, so we're going to store the password in there. And we're going to create the function called password function. And entry is equal to input, so we're going to get some user input here in the form of the user prompting the user to enter a password. There we go. Enter a password, and now we're going to check the length of the password that the user entered using the conditional if len length of the entry, let's say, is greater than 5, do something. So if the length of the entry is greater than 5, the password, I'm going to print them a little message on the screen so they know what's going on. You have entered, say, a valid password. It's valid because the length is correct. It's greater than 5. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to append this password into here. So we're going to store it in there. So we do that by saying password dot append entry. Password dot append entry there. So it should store it in there. And now if something else happens, else if the length, let's say, of the entry is less than 5 and the length of the entry is less than 5, oops, made a little bit of a typo there, so I'll just correct that. There we go. So we're going to print the user a message to let them know. Print, let's say, password is too short. And I'll just append this, make this more readable. I'm going to say password is long enough. Yeah, spelling password wrong today. Password is too short, password is long enough. And then what we're going to do something. And if it's too short, we're going to go back to password function. So we're going to repeat it over again. We're going to give them the opportunity to enter in a new password. Okay, so we're going to go on to the next function here, which is called show password. Okay, so print out some information so the user can see what's going on, or know what to do, of course, in this case. Want to see your password. Okay, to see your password. So we're going to have to get the user input here. Entry is equal to input. And we're just going to simply say yes or no. Yes. Yeah. Or no. Yes or no. Right. And if the entry got lower, so we will reduce everything that's typed into the input box into lowercase, is equal to yes, print the password, else quit the program. Okay, now we're going to call this, we're going to call the function by calling it by password function. I'm going to call the program. We'll just knock that down a notch there, save it before we do that. So let's have a look. So we're going to run that program now. Okay, so there we go. We just extend it out a little bit. Hey, I can't grab the end of that today. That's better. Okay, let me just extend it out. Let's enter a short password, HGH or something. Password is too short, enter a password again. Okay, let's just do 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. That should be enough. Password is long enough. There we go. Let's just run that again. Okay, folks, we've got this here. Now, once we've done this part here, let's have a look. I'm going to send you down to the show password. Show password. Okay, let's just save that. And let's just run that. So run the module. Enter a password. Let's enter a long one. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, password is long enough. Want to see your password? Yes. Okay, let's just run that again. Make sure there's no errors in it. Run the module. Enter a long password like that. Okay. Want to see your password? No. There we go. It's quit the program. So I hope you like that. And if you did, give it a thumbs up.